Okay guys, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Inshallah, in this time we will make banana ball or boiled banana. What we need for make it? We need banana. And next is the hot say dandang. Yeah. First one, we have to fill the water here. I think we need more water. We need half of the pan. Yeah, we need under the water until under the line. Okay, under it. Yeah, 30 minutes. Okay. Yeah. Let's see now. Let's put it in the stove. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's like this. Don't forget to put this at your pan, put down like this, and make it the stove on. Yeah, let's do it. We need the knife for this. We have to make it 3 parts of the banana, like this, and we can put it in our pan. When we have done with cut off the banana, we have to put it in here. Yeah, in the pan or dandang. And let's close it. Oh, wait a minute. We have to make it tidy. Let's try it. Nah, like this. Yes, we have to wait it. Let's wait in 30 minutes. Okay. Let's wait it. Okay. After 30 minutes, we will plating the food. It's so cool, bro. We will put it here. Yeah. Let's put the. What is it? What is this item? It's so hot, bro. One by one.
Assalamualaikum. Ayo kita belajar sambil bermain.
Yeah. Let's put it here. The last one. It is like this. And if you want to eat like this, it's okay. No problem. It's enough.